Basketball, it felt like the world was in my palms. Left hand on Asia, right hand on America. My goal was to spin them together until it was worth something. My dad is the one who put a ball in my hands, and my mom is the one who let me play as long as my grades stayed above the rim. She made sure I knew she didn't immigrate to this country just so I could play their games. My parents named me Jeremy, and my ancestors named me Lin. The two names would rub together like American leather and Chinese silk trying to sandpaper each other away. Born and raised in California, I led my high school team to a state championship title, averaged 15 points, 7 assists, 6 rebounds, 5 steals, but when I didn't get a single scholarship, scouts tried to blame it on my height and weight, but I knew it was my eyes. They couldn't imagine a Chinaman shooting hoops. Never seen a Taiwanese product that was made in America. They thought I was weak and frail with a heart full of fear. They thought my bones would break like Yao Ming's career. But I just sneered, waited on my chance to reappear. So when I set Madison Square Garden on fire, don't call it a comeback. I've been here for years. I've been the baseline of their jokes. I've been sweating, just like the workers who made the shoes I played in. I've been here. What you ain't know? I'm Bruce Lee with a jump shot. I got a killer instinct. This court is my burial site, and I could break records and stereotypes, because I'm a hammer in the hands of a Chinese railroad worker. I'm a kamikaze jet running suicides. Yo, I took over the NBA Gangnam Style. I'm a bridge stretching across the Pacific, the Asian stigma on full court press. I'm a celebrity, the president, mayor, and governor knows. I'm like cocaine. This whole time I was right under your nose, and now you are witnessing the amazing Asian persuasion invasion. It's Linsanity. Let's investigate this Lin-inspiring Linderella story, shall we? I've been on an incredible winning streak, because all I do is Lin, no matter what. I'm a super Nintendo, to infinity and beyond. It's Lindescribable. I've done the Lin possible. I'm the first Asian name that didn't kung fu its way into your mouth. And now I'm trying to prove my point while moving forward with my guard up in the center of attention. ESPN. Now you officially have a chink in your armor. And there's going to be millions more just like me, as long as you're willing to give them a shot.